About the recording of the electromyography. So in this there are like different type of electromyographies are there, needle electromyography and surface electromyography. We will see how this surface electromyography is done in the laboratory setup. So this is the software, and so in this, so today we will So first we will select the muscle that we are going to do. So we will be doing in the upper extremity, biceps brachii. So then we will have to place the electrodes. So here I have kept X1, X2 as the electrodes for recording the EMG. So here I have kept this X1 and X2 electrode for recording electrodes. So X1 will be the active electrode and X2 will be the reference electrode. E is the ground electrode. So we will place these electrodes in the muscle belly of the biceps brachii. So before placing electrodes, we will have to clean. So before placing electrodes, we will have to clean the area with spirit and cotton thoroughly. And ground electrode we will place in the any bony prominence. So here we will be keeping in the radial styloid process. Okay. So as I have told, X1 is the active electrode. We will place both the electrodes nearby each other, okay, with minimum of 1 to 3 centimeter distance, and it should not be kept too close because it might form salt bridge. Okay, so it should be kept away, and yeah, so we can place it. Now both active and reference electrodes are placed. We will be placing the ground electrode. Ground electrode we will be placing in the radial styloid process. This is to see the effect of increasing weights.
Effect of weight on interference patterns of the surface area.
Okay, sir.
Effect of increasing weights on interference patterns of surface area.
So now we will record the effect of different weights in the interference pattern of the EMG. Okay, first I have kept 1 kg weight. Okay. So, yeah, now add weight. Add weight. Leave. Add weight. Add weight. Sir.
Like Bala will tell me on the screen ki see increase in the.
Okay, sir.
Now I set it like that.
So add weight. Now we can see the EMG activity. So now add 1 more kg. So here the activity is increasing. Add 1 more kg. So now the activity is more increased. Only one is there. Now we will place electrodes in the triceps muscle. Okay, so this also same. Both the electrodes will be adjacent to each other. Okay, with the distance of less than 3 centimeter. Okay, so now we have placed the electrode in the triceps also. So then now the hand is at complete rest, so both the channels there is no activity. So now can you flex your hand? So when the subject is doing flexion, we can see the activity in the first channel, that is the biceps channel. Okay, so now can you slightly extend your arm? Okay, so when the subject is extending, so we can see the activity in the triceps muscle, and in the biceps we are not getting any activity. We will ask the subject to do flexion by giving weight in his hand, and we can see the synergistic action of both the muscles, and we can see the activity in both the channels. Can you do flexion? So in the recording we can see like there is activity in the both biceps and the triceps. So this synergistic action of the muscles is seen because of the contraction of both agonist and the antagonist muscle to maintain the joint position.
So now we are going to see the effect of weight on the interference pattern seen in EMG. The initial recording is the EMG of the biceps muscle, and the lower one is the EMG recording of the triceps muscle. Now we are going, the subject is going to lift a weight of 1 kg, just leave that. Yes, so we can see the changes recording both in the biceps and the triceps. Now hold, put 1 more kg, relax your hand for now, okay, leave it, yes. So this is the, for 2 kg we see the recordings in the biceps, and now 3 kg, just put 1 kg more, 1 more kg, leave it, yeah, hold, yes. So this is the recording how the person is holding 3 kg, and we can see that both the biceps and the triceps are activated. And now 4 kg, yes. It's changed to 4 now, leave, yes. We can see that it increases the interference pattern with increase in weight. It also increases mostly in the biceps muscle and also some in the triceps. Now again one.
To lift the 4 kg weight.
Now the subject is again going to lift the 4 kg weight, and we are going to see what the effect of weight is on the triceps muscle and the biceps muscle. So ideally flexion is an action by the biceps muscle. Flexion of forearm is done by the biceps, but just leave it. But the interference will be noted both in the triceps and the biceps. The reason of this is that the joint has to be stabilized. Because of this, there will be antagonistic action of both the biceps and the triceps for similar kind of action. We are going to see the effect of flexion and extension of the forearm on the antagonistic muscles, that is the biceps and the triceps. So we will be telling the subject to flex his forearm. Please flex your forearm now. Flex, and we can see the action, that there is action on the biceps right now, and then we'll tell the subject to extend his forearm. Please extend your forearm now, and now there is more action on the triceps muscle, and then we'll tell the subject to just flex again, just to get back to the previous recording once more. So now we get the action in the biceps muscle once again. Now there, even in the isoelectric stage, there is some basal activities. This is known as the tone of the muscle, which can be seen here.